What is it?
Mystery tackle box.
Mystery tackle box. Say so. Say test, test.
Test, test.
Okay, you need to speak up just a little bit. Alright, we got our mystery tackle box today, so we're going to do a quick unboxing. Okay? I've fished a little bit on and off today. Back here, haven't had any luck. I think the water's still too cold. I don't know how cold it is, but it's still pretty cold. So, no fishing in this video, needless to say. Alright. The dibble. And the what's inside. Alright, you gonna read? Okay, here we go. What's the first one?
Guggen Squad Scout $9.99.
Guggen Squad Scout $9.99. Ooh. That's pretty sweet. I was fishing with one of these today. Let's see, is there a color? This is suspending jerkbait. 4 to 6 feet, 4 1/3 inch, ½ ounce. It's pretty sweet. A bunch of little knockers in there too. $10 for that. Sweet. Huh? Okay. What's the next one, Joe?
Yozuri 3DB Knuckle Bait Spinnerbait $9.99.
Okay, you're going to speak up a little bit. Yozuri 3DB Knucklebait Spinnerbait $9.99. $10 for this spinnerbait. I sure hope this thing works. ½ ounce. Don't know what they call this color. That's a $10 spinnerbait right there. Interesting. Knucklebait. UV color. $10. Okay, what's next?
Weston Ring Tees ST.
Weston Ring Tees ST.
No, $6.99.
$6.99. Ooh. 5-inch, 1/4 ounce. Bunch of different color swim baits. Scandinavia. Scandinavia, huh? Okay. Could always use more swim baits. Bunch of different colors in there. Sweet. How much were those?
$6.99.
$6.99. Okay, what's next?
Standout Live Shotting.
Standout Live Shotting.
$6.25.
$6.25. Look at that. Look at that.
Looks like a duck.
Bring drop shotting to life. Bass, walleye, and panfish. Large fry pattern. Large fry black shad. Okay. Never got anything like that in this box. But kind of actually looks promising. How much were those? $6.25. Okay. What's next?
Bass Dynasty Dynacrawl.
Bass
$5.99.
Dynasty. Bass Dynasty Dynacrawl. $5.99. Ooh. Might have to open this up for you guys to see this. Look at that thing. I bet them things kick like crazy.
I hope they don't kick the fish in the face, or it will just be trash.
Red flake. Got some big old paddles on there. Three-inch Dynacrawl black with red flake. Okay, how much are those?
$5.99.
$5.99. And we got one. Looks like 4 of them. Okay. $5, $6 for 4 of them. Okay. What's next, bud?
Carl's Amazing Baits Varmint, $3.49.
Carl's Amazing Baits Varmint.
Varmint.
$3.50 for 4 of them. I would definitely.
$3.49.
Yeah, $3.50. Same thing, Jack. I'd definitely buy these for $3.50, even though there's 4 of them. Alright, we will see the color. And the bag was already opened. I bet that'll work. Little structure bug looking thing. Don't know why the bag was open though. Hopefully I'm not missing some out of here. How much were those?
$3.50.
$3.50. Alright, one more.
Carl's Stash Drop Shot Weights, $2.99.
Some drop shot weights. Carl Stash. Drop shot ball weights, 3/16 ounce. 4 of them for $3. $3. Those are to go with our live shotting, I'm assuming. Here's a sticker. It's like a bobber blowing up. And of course the sticker. Well,
It's a bobber bomb.
bobber bomb. That was a good box. What do you think, Joe? It's getting to be that time of year. Actually just got the old boat out today to clean it up. Posted it on social media. Try and sell it so I can help pay off the bigger boat. And the bigger boat's going to be coming out real soon, I think. It's supposed to be in the upper 50s, mid 50s the rest of this week. Maybe cool down a little bit, but I think it's about time to get the big boat out, clean it up, get it ready to go. So, we appreciate you guys watching. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, especially liking it. It greatly increases our chances of other people viewing our videos. Do you have anything you want to say to them?
But I have something that I want to show to you.
You have something you want to show to them? Oh, okay.
Ow!
Pull your hair. Here, I'll show it to him. You can tell him what it is. Tell him what it is.
It's a golden ring with a ruby.
Golden ring with a ruby.
And a golden necklace.
It was my class ring. He took it to school today for show and tell. Alright, nothing else to show him? Maylee's trying to creep in here. Yeah, there she is. You little creeper. Nothing else you want to tell him? Alright, thank you guys for watching.
Ready?